Welcome to episode number 5. 938 degrees outside, and we'll have a special guest appearance from Dr. Pooh in this video. Hope you enjoy. Alright, getting ready to putty the stringer in. They're mixed chopped fiber, milled fiber, Aerosil,
Bro, where are these
and just a
gloves at?
small kiss of Cavasil. The gloves are right here.
Oh, duh.
I'm gonna scoop this stuff into here, hold my bag.
Yeah, let me get these things in here.
Got Adam helping us today. He wanted to make sure the boat's built right, strong enough to hold all these fish. Man, it don't look like it made as much as the last batch. Where'd that scissors go? Most people use the scissors, but
No, that's right.
let's do this thing. Stuff goes down like a dream. Look at that. Should have made a bigger batch, I'm afraid. Close.
Might be close.
What's that noise? We've been breathing resin fumes too long. Let's spread that around just a little bit.
Yeah.
Got it thick.
Hard. Yeah.
This is the first one I've done with the chopped fiber mixed in with it. I think I like the straight putty better. You gotta mix up in a small batch. Dr. Pooh is back. Oh, that looks so much nicer. More guess right here. Yeah, you gonna grab the stringer and we'll set her on in.
Yep.
There's a lot of cleanup on this one. We're gonna ooze out everywhere. We're a little overboard on our poo. Just got done glassing that side of the stringer down the floor. Put some peel ply down, that way when I come back I don't have to sand as much. I know I've said it 100 times, but I'm sick and tired of sanding. Ziploc bag with a hole. That was a ticket, man. Trying to hit the camera there.
Try to hit the camera.
Hang on back. There we go. Woo! Let me see one of those lead bars at him. Let me see one of the silver bars.
Oh,
We recovered this bar. Told you while Mel Fisher was sleeping. Don't tell the state of Florida.
you have a certain distance back here you want to be
As far as
from the other stringer.
Oh, just on top of where the original one was.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we got room for the gas tank.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. You probably wanted a certain distance, huh?
Yeah, just make sure we're good. We're gonna go measure that gas tank at him. Now you pick all the excess off, jam it in the corners. Yeah, definitely like the non-fiber better.
I need to have a rounded stick. This one here is.
Yeah, I need one here too. You wanna make a couple for us?
Yeah.
25 and 5/8.
Let's see what we're looking like, see how much room we got for spare. Oh yeah, we're plenty good. Beautiful.
How about back here?
It only comes to right here. Yeah, tons of room. So what'd you think of your first fiberglassing experience, Adam?
I don't know.
You don't know. What do you mean you don't know?
Sticky.
Sticky and wet makes mommy upset. Yeah, I do not like this. The fiber mix in this, because when you go to drag it, it tries to pull the glass out with it. Where when it's just a putty mix, you're just pulling putty. I'm just getting close, I don't have as much to sand. Come back to sand it back down. And a hole in my pants. Probably ban us from YouTube. Don't look at the hole in my pants. I might be able to shim it with this piece I got laying here.
I already got it.
Yeah, I can shim it with this. Bar, please.
Oh.
I never realized how heavy silver was. So pop this piece of wood apart. It's filled with little bitty ants. I've had little crazy ants in the boat for ages. I don't know if they just been in there. Hey, I got an idea, people. Let's go put wood in boats. It makes a lot of sense. Who cares if it gets ate up by insects and rotted out? We'll save a nickel, man. We'll save a nickel. Yeah, let's do it. Don't even get me started on this wood thing this morning. Not feeling it. So with these bulkheads, I went and mudded these pieces on here and here all the way across, kind of like I did on the tops of these. Then we'll wrap a little bit of glass around it. The reason I'm doing that is I'm not putting foam back in, and the foam does give the boat a lot of strength, so instead of doing the foam, put a little bit more glass on the floor to thicken it up, put these bulkheads in, and then I've got these bulkheads set at 4 feet apart. So when I go to put my deck boards on, my 4x8 sheets, they're going to meet up right on the center of this board. That way I can bond it on that end as well as the outsides. She's going to be strong. I'll be able to carry a lot of crab traps now. Got this floor raised up. It's a long process, but I think it's going to be worth it in the long run. So probably the most important tip I can give when doing this job is not to remove all your stringers at once, or your floor can warp and twist. I wasn't as concerned on this boat as I would have been on most boats. This piece is over 3/4 of an inch thick that I had cut out several years back where my pocket mount transducer went. So I knew the hull was stupid thick compared to your average boat. That being said, I did get just a little bit of a warp in the hull that we'd put a bunch of lead in, and we got it straightened back out before we glassed those stringers in. So to try to prevent that from happening on the other side, on the inside stringer, I left a real good lip, nice straight piece there to try to hold everything straight as can be. And then I'll double check it before I glass in the 2 outside stringers, and once those 2 are glassed in, I'll remove that middle one and take it out. Another thing I didn't show was when I did the transom and the stringers, I did quite a bit of tabbing of the stringers to the transom, and this morning I'm going to do a little bit more tabbing on the corner where the transom meets the hull. Crazy fact about this boat, fun fact, Parker didn't run the outside stringer to the transom. They were only relying on the center stringers. No idea what the thought was behind that. I don't know if they thought it'd be harder to wrap the wires around, if they were being lazy. They're just trying to save time and money. I'm guessing save time and money, but man, that's a lot of torque on a transom. To have a stringer go all the way back and stop at 12 inches from where it really needs to be. Another key is fans. It has been brutal hot. I got 3 fans rolling when I'm working. Wish I could have done it in the winter time, but that's when I make my money, so summertime it is. Then out of the smoke came locusts upon the earth, and power was given to them as scorpions of the earth have power. They were told not to hurt the grass of the earth, nor any green thing, nor any tree, only the men who do not have the seal of God on their foreheads. I don't know what it is, but we've never had a locust in Florida till just recent. And I don't like them. Is it a sign of the times? You tell me.